This would be the situation. We've been together for 2 hours. I can't get you closed. It happens to the best of us, okay? So you're gonna leave, you're telling me all the sweet stuff about how you'll be back. We know better than that though, don't we? Okay? When a customer tells you they're coming back, normally they're not, okay? When the customer says they need to go think about it, what that means is they need to go shop another dealership, okay? So, RJ tells me he's gonna leave me and go think about it. And I say, RJ, do me a favor. You're probably gonna go look at another place for a vehicle. Sorry we couldn't get together today, but I wanna remind you of something. And I wanna give you all the help I can at the next place. I'm gonna give you this card. And RJ, I want you to go there and grind them like you grinded me, okay? Work your best deal. And then when you've got your best deal, then and only then, pull out this card and hand it to the salesperson or the manager and say, ALM will do all this for me. Will you do it for me? And what do you think they're gonna say? They ain't gonna do it, RJ, because they're not gonna be able to do it. Actually, they could create a card like this. They could provide a warranty. They could provide a select package. They could provide a best price guarantee. They could provide an exchange policy. Most dealers just don't do it. So this card can be the ultimate be-back card if you know how to use it, okay?